Not every newborn will simply fall asleep when they're tired. Often, they need a helping hand. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Hi, I'm Nikki from Little Ones, and this cutie is my little friend Casper. Casper is just 2 weeks old, so very, very new, and also at that stage where his newborn sleepiness has worn off and he's turning into a nosy little thing who definitely needs a hand falling asleep. Casper has got a full tummy and he's been well winded. At this age, one of the main reasons your little one won't settle or sleep is that they have trapped wind. If your little one hasn't done at least 2 really good burps after their feed, that is the likely culprit of them not settling to sleep or not staying asleep. Casper has now been awake for the right amount of awake time for his age, which is around 1.5 hours. Between 2 and 3 weeks, anything longer than this will mean your little one is getting really overtired and it makes them hard to settle to sleep and they have poor quality sleep as a result. 1.5 hours is the maximum at this age. However, some babies will need less awake time. At this age, 1.5 hours is the maximum awake time for a baby, including feeds. So what I'm going to do now to get Casper to sleep is I'm going to swaddle him. I'm going to turn on some white noise, which is our baby sleep track, and I'm going to settle him to sleep on my shoulder because he's little and it's lovely and you get lots of nice snuggles. Then once he's asleep, I'm going to pop him in his bassinet. All right. Come on, little friend. All right. Here we go. All right. Get this white noise on. So just show there and then. You want the white noise to be pretty loud while they're falling asleep, and you want to play it for the duration of your baby's naps and their nighttime sleep. You can turn it down once they're asleep.